Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add logo here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a logo to your BigCommerce store is a straightforward process and can be done directly through the storefront settings. And of course, you can upload your logo in a few simple steps. Number one is once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the homepage, wherein there's going to be an option here that says storefront on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on it, and there's going to be an option that says logo. I want you to click on it. From here, you see, you can select your logo type. Is it going to be you can enter text to display as your logo or upload a custom image to use as your logo. Now, I'm going to upload a custom image to use as my logo here for my BigCommerce store and with the help of Canva. Now, as you can see, Canva offers the free logo maker, and all I have to do is click the start designing a custom logo. It would be forwarded to the dashboard. Now from here, you can select all these options, all right? These are some of the logos. But be mindful that if you see a watermark like this one, it means you need to upgrade to the Canva Pro to use this premium element or template. So you might want to avoid that. For now, we're going to hover around here. Say, I'm going to be using this one. Let's avoid those with a watermark. Instead, click on it. Or if you want, let's say, how about this one right here? Seems very easy to use. Template style. All right, so let's skip this, click on delete, and now I'm going to rename this. Now, I'm going to change the font from D and L for D Plaps. All right, so that's gonna be this. Now instead, I'm going to put in our YouTube link. Now, if you haven't already, we have tons of Canva tutorials for you to check out. And if you haven't already, just click on the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. I'm going to copy this YouTube URL of our Gplabs channel and then quickly switch over to BigCommerce, or I mean Canva. I'm going to put in here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller for you guys so you can see it. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller this time so it can fit on our elements. And obviously we can, of course, have the option to edit this logo. Now, you see the color is black for now, but I'm going to use something that best represent our channel. I'm gonna click on the border style and I'm gonna put something like this instead. All right, and of course you can be creative. I'm gonna click on another page right here. I'm going to create two logos for now. I'm click on upload section. I'm going to upload this specific image right here. And then this one at the very bottom. All right, so I'm gonna use this one as well. After that, you might want to click on the share button, wherein click on download, click on the PNG. Now, for you to be able to use the transparent background right here, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro, right? Because you're not going to be able to use the transparent background for your logo. And you can also increase the limit file size. You have multiple options. You can download JPEG, PNG, and if you want to share this to your collaborator, just click on the copy link. Say, for example, you want to use this logo to your BigCommerce store with your client. Just copy a link and share that via these channels. You can share via Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, or if you're in communication using WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger, or email, you might want to do that as well. If you want to save a copy of it, save it to your Google Drive, a Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's switch over to the BigCommerce. Again, here, what I'm going to do is upload a custom image to use as logo. I'm going to drag and drop image here or select an image from the computer. Now this is going to be the thumbnail, and you have the logo preview. You can have an option here for optimize for your theme, or you might want to choose the original as uploaded. And if you have a specific dimensions that you have wanted to place, you can specify a maximum image for desktop display, and they will automatically scale down the image for smaller devices. For example, if you're reviewing it in mobile or tablet. Recommended size for your theme is going to be 250 by 100 pixel. Max width is this, and if you want to adjust the position of your logo, you can launch the page builder. If you click on it, you would be forwarded to your store. All right, and you can click on the preview button so you can check the Deep Laughs logo. Later, we'll switch over again to the editor. Now on the bottom, you can also have a favicon. It's a small image that represents your brand in browser tabs, history, and more. All right. If you want to replace the image using the favicon is this small guy right here. You see this, the BigCommerce icon. If you want to replace that with the logo that we have created, all we have to do is click on the replace image. All right, so we have now 2 of him. All right, all we have to do now is save it. All right. Now, if you wanted to enter your text to display as your logo, you're welcome to do that. These are going to be your options. If you want to change the color right here, for example, in the blue one, and if you want to increase the font size, for example, 50 or 72, you would be able to do that as well. Right. Now, for that, all you're going to do is click on save. Basically, that's how you add logo here in BigCommerce. Right? If you want to view your store so you can check it, you're welcome to do that. Remember that once the logo is uploaded and changes are saved, you can preview your store automatically to see how the logo would look like in the live storefront. Make sure it's properly aligned, visible, and not too large or small, so you may need to tweak the size or positioning if it's not quite right. Because most modern BigCommerce themes are responsive, meaning they are automatically adjust for mobile and tablet views. However, it's always good idea to check how your logo looks on different devices. And again, if your logo appears too big or too small, or doesn't scale well, you might need to adjust the image size or modify settings in the theme editor. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.